Mr. Lakshman Tukaram Gole was born in Mumbai but has travelled all across the Maharashtra now. He is a Gandhian practitioner, TEDx speaker and a brand ambassador of Mumbai Sarvodaya Mandal. Also, he is the president of Saksham Shanti Pratishthan and Thane Jilla Samparka Pramukh of Lok Swarajya Television Trade Union. Inception of Gandhian philosophy happened when he got to read in Gandhi's autobiography in a jail and was so impressed that he started taking up the experiment of being truthful under all circumstances in all his daily activities. With every act of unselfish truth, his belief became more and more stronger. Although other prisoners and people always criticized, he continued his work. His life has changed drastically. Now, he is a district president of India's largest social network, Aadhar India, Mumbai. Sarvodaya Mandal and many other social organizations involve him in a Gandhi Peace exams, social awareness programs, entrepreneurship development programs and motivational speech. Society has accepted him back. He has been spreading Gandhi's message in the society, motivates society for peace since 10 years. His firm belief in Gandhi's 11 vows has made him an icon of the personal transformation and has inspired as many as convicts taking to his path of the truth. His dream is to spread Gandhi's principles rigorously to everyone and everywhere and spread peace in a society. In October 10, he was awarded the prestigious Samartha Ashok Puraskar from the hands of the Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad and Ramdas Athawale, Minister of RPI at function of non-violence in Mumbai. He is 2011 winner of Zindagi Live National Award given by IBN 7, received from ex-Education Minister Smriti Irani and Minister Ambika Soni. His life has been discussed at various forums like schools, colleges, law universities and many corporate offices. He is invited for various programs related with the Gandhian philosophy. Rotary Club of Pune Central has sponsored his project Parivartan towards spreading the Gandhian principles for social transformation and awarded him in 2012 for Best Project by BP Nani Desai and Mr. Yogesh Wagner. He received Balasaheb Bhagavane Trust Smriti Puraskar 2015 for social awareness. Awards-winning documentary filmmaker Madhvi Tangela has made a documentary film on Lakshman Gole's life for a DD National. He received National Award for Excellence in Social Leadership from hands of the Government of Maharashtra. He was awarded as a Samaj Ratna Puraskar by Amit Dukhande and Aadhar Ratna Shanti Doot Award in 2016 from Aadhar India by Hemant Pednekar, principal of the Ruia College. Sony Channel had broadcast an harsh show on his life and the transformation in their well-received series Prayashchit Gunaon Ke Zakham. He has awarded as a Navaratna in 2018 from Helping Hands Welfare Society Dombivli by Padma Shri Dr. Ravindra Kolhe and Sandip Kulkarni. He is working with the Mumbai Sarvodaya Mandal and arranged a Gandhi Peace exam at jail. More than 10,000 prisoners have participated in the exam. Lakshman Gole, in coordination with the Gadchiroli Police Dal, Adarsh Mitra Mandal Pune, Shri Lakshmi Narasimha Patha Sanstha at Ballapur and the Rotary Club have conducted Samajik Sadbhavna Pariksha at Naxalist area Gadchiroli and total 13,500 students have participated in the exam. This has been recorded in a Guinness Book of Record 2018. His work, achievements and life story is available on mkgandhi.org and Wikipedia. Rajiv Prasad has made a Hindi movie, Lakshman Gole, the real life story on his life. Now in the lockdown period, he is spreading awareness and peace by audios. He has made a jail diaries at anchor.fm and also preparing audios for laws and a legal awareness.